I feel like the need for capacity building needs to be tackled from a few different perspectives. And the conversation that JPAL and Data.org are having are part of the capacity accelerator network that Data.org is setting up. And so, for reference, Data.org is a platform for partnerships that Rockefeller Foundation and the Mastercard Center for Inclusive Growth created early 2019. And then, amongst a bunch of other things, one of the important aspects for that is for us to be thinking about looking at how do we create sort of the supply of the data talent, right? So purpose-driven data professionals in the sector, which are available to social impact organizations, both in the social impact, the NGO, CSO space, but also to the government. And how do we bring the benefits of data and tech from the private sector to the non-profit space, which is where some of these conversations have been leading to, right? And the data capacity building is to be tackled from getting that talent on board, but then on the other side, having the organizations build in the mindset and culture to accept the talent and really value the talent, right? So like, while as all of us are talking about, there's the salary gap in the private sector, but it's also about creating the top leadership to think about data talent as an important aspect within the organizations, to be start valuing them and leveraging them towards making it critical, right? And that's what I was giving the example of Seva earlier, where just today we were talking about how they are planning to create a data warehouse. And then within the organizations, within each district level unit, they're talking about how can they build the data capacities and how can they upskill their own people, right? While they don't have to add additional cost to it. There are also a bunch of tools available out there, which are available to the non-profit sector for free or at a subsidized rate. And there are organizations like the Tech for Good community, which do these trainings for the social impact space organizations in looking at how do we adopt to using some of these tools for their internal purposes, right? Like there are tools available from Salesforce, Tableau, etc., which might be relevant.